Hello YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the part 2 of the Nang Loeng local food market here in Bangkok. Today is another humid and steaming hot day here in Thailand. I'm basically soaked. My t-shirt is basically soaking wet. And sorry for the the part one video, the video just got stopped because my battery died on the camera. And let's continue the tour at here, the Nang Loeng market. Okay, now I see the worship area of this market, which I should be able to go upstairs to take a tour. So this is the area where people uh, pray for fortune, pray for their wealth needs, and I don't think there is anything here in the tunnelway. Hopefully I'm able to go upstairs to check out the worship area. Not sure if shoes is allowed or not. I do see shoes here, so I assume that no shoes is allowed upstairs. I'm gonna take off my shoes quick and boom, here we go. Okay, this is the worship area, and on the left hand side we see the statue of Thai King. Hopefully I was right. That's the statue of Thai King. And we see the worship desk. At the center of the worship hall, I can see the left statue is the ancestor of Bunthau. I'm not sure who that gentleman. I don't know too much about the story of that gentleman. But at the center is Mr. Guang, the statue of Mr. Guang, who is one of the greatest warrior in the San Guo dynasty, something like that. And he is considered one of the best warrior with the best loyalty. And to the right hand side we see the god of fortune, the money god. And now when I got to the right worship hall, we see the Guanyin statue from Taoism. And let me see if I can get a bird view of this Nang Loeng market. And there's some Chinese writing saying something, says I don't read these words. Every single character looks familiar to myself, but unfortunately I just don't read it. I don't know why. Okay. And here is the bird view of Nang Loeng Market. That's the central food court dining area. Okay. Next one we're gonna take a quick walking tour of of this market to take a look at the local businesses. With my shoes on. Okay. Step one, I assume I'm supposed to go to the other side of the fence. Yeah, those shops, they are no longer, the business, they are no longer running somehow. Okay, one more restaurant serving chicken drumsticks stuffs. Hey, sawadee krap. Mango food booth. Waffle. Thai version waffle cakes, 12 baht per serve. And the pork meat butcher shop. Okay. See what we have got here. Okay, let's go this way. What's going on down here? Don't know what that is. See something? This zhangjiu? Zhangjiu? What are those?
Sticky rice.
Oh, okay, it's banana.
Yeah, banana.
Banana and sticky rice. Thank you. That's the banana and sticky rice wrapped in the bamboo leaves. And okay, let me see which way to go. Might as well make a right turn to see if any more stuff to explore. And I see that one look like the tilapia and fish cake, river shrimp cakes. Okay. This restaurant is on its lunch break. Local grocery, local convenience store. Two more restaurants, one to the right, which is the Chaloem something since 1963, and they are serving some Chinese marinated geese. Looks more like the Teochew marinated geese and ducks. I believe those are geese. Now let's see. I don't even know what those are. Those are more like snacks. Hey, sawadee krap. It looks more like snakes. Fruit snacks. And to the left hand side, marinated pork feet. Another alleyway. Says 60 baht, 50 baht, even though I don't know what they are serving. Okay, tom yum noodle, soup noodle, sawadee krap, soup noodle. Another restaurant serving, looks like chicken and noodle, of course, plus some duck legs and garlic stir fry rice. Hey. สวัสดีครับ and that's fish cake tom yum soup noodle with one more. Okay, so basically like street food restaurant is everywhere, and I just noticed there's one more restaurant right next to the glass window. Let me just take a quick peek at the bramble. It looks more like a crispy pork soup noodle store, soup noodle restaurant, and believe it or not, this teeny tiny restaurant won the Michelin restaurant in 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Holy moly! Just a teeny tiny restaurant. Wow. No wait. Wow, a hidden restaurant in the corner of the Nang Loeng Market. Yeah. This is so much to explore. The thing is, I don't read Thai, so I don't understand too much.
The restaurant, the first day I arrived, I tried this.
Did you?
Yes, bông lươn, quay tiao bông lươn. They earned Michelin from 21st to 25.
25.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Might as well we can go there and try it like next time. Okay, alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please consider like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss the other videos, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.